We usually save the peaches for dessert, but this recipe moves them up a few courses. It's a salad that's vibrant as can be. Malia Call is joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe for peach burrata salad, which I already, hello, nice to meet you, can't wait to meet this salad. Make this salad, meet the salad too. It looks amazing. You're packing in kind of an end of summer punch for us.
Yes. My favorite season is when peach and tomato meet. And this just kind of collects all of those friends together. And burrata is the belle of the ball. We all love burrata. Yes. So it's just kind of a likely complement to the salad.
I like you immediately. I haven't heard belle of the ball. My grandma used to say that. I love that phrase. Let's bring that back. And
I'm an old soul.
Burrata is a delicious cheese. We should use it more. Any other standout ingredients in the salad? The peaches, the tomatoes, the burrata, what else?
We are going to be using a white balsamic vinegar today, which is delicious.
Yes.
If you haven't tried it.
I think I've used it in a couple of salads.
Okay. It's great because it is kind of balsamic vinegar's long lost cousin, if you will. Not as strong, and it's lighter in color.
A little more subtle, yeah.
So it's not gonna cover your salad with a dark dressing. And it's got kind of a fruity undertone as well.
Okay.
So it really complements the peaches perfectly.
All right, take us to Greenland. What are we starting with?
So we are gonna be using baby arugula. And we'll just do a few cups of that.
Okay.
And I love this lettuce because it has that peppery bite. And then just a good spring mix.
Okay.
And we'll put that in there as well.
Great.
And then we are gonna come over to the peaches. I love going to our seasonal stands. In Utah, we have so much access to fresh produce.
Oh, we're spoiled.
So this is actually called a June flame. I have a daughter, June, so I kind of felt like this.
It's her fruit.
Yes.
Okay.
And I like to put peeled peaches in this salad because the skin is a little bit thick. So all I do is I kind of just pull back, and when you have a nice ripe peach, it will just peel right off.
I interpreted that as peel on. That's why I was like, really?
Oh,
but
sorry.
No, peel. No, you said it right. I just heard it wrong. Thank you. Yeah.
So then we're just gonna take all of that off.
Okay.
And if you've ever canned peaches, you know that this is a similar process. If I'm doing a lot of these, I'll drop it in some boiling water for a couple of minutes and then drop it in an ice bath, and these will just slide right off. But if I'm just using 1 or 2 peaches, I wouldn't bother getting out a pot and pan.
Okay, we peel, we slice.
And then we just slice it up. And this is a really sweet peach. So I love having that variety in the salad.
Is your June just as sweet?
She can be.
Okay, good answer. Honest answer.
And then I like to just kind of start with my bigger elements first. I always say that in my classes. So we're gonna put the tomato on as well. And this is a nice garden tomato. But I was gonna let you know that if you don't have access to garden tomatoes, I mean, look at that red color. I love these little Campari or cocktail tomatoes.
Okay.
And you can find these guys just at the grocery store. I like to cut these up as well, just for a little size variety.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut this into chunks.
Well, it becomes an art experience too, right? A salad that's beautiful. You're kind of artfully placing the color around the bowl. Yeah.
So we're just gonna place those on, and then you just drop your little Campari tomatoes wherever you want.
Is it time for burrata?
It is time for burrata.
Hooray!
And she's not messing around. So this is actually a mozzarella cheese variation. So the outside shell is mozzarella, and then it's filled with a soft curd and heavy cream. I mean, you had me at hello.
Right.
So this comes in just a 1 ball, and I like to put it in a bowl.
Okay.
And we're just gonna drop some dollops of this burrata cheese.
May I finish the job?
Oh, please.
While we scoot to dressing, we've got about a minute left.
Okay.
I'm honored to hold this spoon.
So then, onto the dressing, I'm just gonna do a couple of tablespoons of some peach jam, which is gonna give our sweet element.
Nice.
Some olive oil, then of course that white balsamic, and we'll just do a few splashes of that, and then drop in a little bit of our
A little bit and then some.
A little bit and then some.
Towel. Yeah.
And then I like to just put my vinaigrettes into, thank you so much, Brooke, into a mason jar and just give it a really good shake.
There it goes. Does this count as my arm workout?
Yes.
Burning the calories I'm about to eat with that burrata. How long will this keep in the fridge?
I would say 5 days.
Okay.
And it's delicious and great, and we'll just keep giving.
Not to rush you, I see some fresh basil and pistachios.
Yep.
To go on top.
A little bit of crunch
this
on
just
there.
keeps getting better. This is the show-stopping salad of the season.
I always love to do a little glossy finish of olive oil.
Beautiful.
And then some fresh cracked pepper.
Oh, Malia, thank you so much.
Yes.
Delicious salad. We'll post the details for you on our website. But where can people get more recipes and even class information from you?
So I teach at Orson Gigi, so you can see my class schedule on there. And then I also have Instagram, Cooking with Malia. Okay. And yeah.
I will be following along.
Thank you
very much. We'll link you to her Instagram as well.